Your stand's down. You ready? Let's go. Something a bit different. Away from all the cars. We're taking out all the bikes. You're gonna be in one of my videos.
Make me scared.
I'm a kid flying backwards.
Too big for you.
Fuck, that's fun.
He won't ride it by himself.
It's fun.
Fuck.
Well, you wouldn't try. Ride it.
No way.
Dude,
It's only
no
fast,
way.
exactly.
Yeah, and I'll... What's it called?
Me the
throttle.
retard. Even I rode that.
Marcus was the best when he rode my one.
No, you should step up and ride my 250.
Yeah,
Not the YZ,
honestly,
the
man,
pit bike.
That scared me.
You got a pit bike with 250?
Yeah, the
Oh, come on.
The duck.
That alright. Not that. That's too scary.
Still, he said it scares you.
Where's the pub?
Okay, Chich, what do you want? Great Northern or Great Northern?
Yeah. Yeah, Great Northern.
just takes a few out of the sketch.
So we're in Sunbury for a documentary of Dylan.
Yep.
And he's got an escort that it was his first car.
You want to show me the escort?
He bought it when he was 14.
You want to show me the escort?
Yeah, let's go. He's probably not going to fix it. Let's be honest. Yeah, that's the escort. Yeah. Yeah, this is the door fell off. Why not? That's the escort. Yeah, the little esky they call them back.
Oh,
in,
yeah, esky,
back in England, esky. And yeah. Dylan bought it when he was 14. Paid $400 for it. And it's got an original 60,000 miles on it.
Miles.
Yeah, miles. Yeah.
Which one's your bike?
The red one.
Not you. That one.
Yeah.
The one that's in 100 pieces.
The big one or the little one?
The big one. The big one.
That's too big, mate. I don't know what that is. I just know it's a motorbike.
It was. It's drifty.
I know what Pro Taper is. They do bars.
It has a dirt bike motor in it.
Is that a 125?
Yes. Nah, 90.
Then why is it so? Oh, I was gonna say, why is it so slow?
Throttle. That's our wobbly wheel over there. That's a bike. Your bike.
That's the bike.
And,
What is the paddock bomb? I haven't seen this paddock bomb.
Your name Elmo?
is Elmo.
The Elmo.
Is it red?
Red.
Have you ever been for a drive in that car with him?
Which car? I don't know what car you're talking about.
Yeah.
No.
Quad's empty, man.
How do you have all this
Because
and you got no fuel? Is
You come out of the freaking thing.
all over the fucking bike.
that from World War II? I've seen that in Saving Private Ryan, that thing.
It's exactly the same one.
Let's go. Oh my god. His big ass thighs are going to be all over the internet.
My
Yeah, I want to go up this end. Hang
My
on.
huge fucking thighs. Fucking, that was a fucking death roll.
This is the tour.
That's not even holding on to nothing.
Guys,
fucking. Oh, we'll go get it. Oh, hey, what are you doing? Hey, yeah, dude. Where'd you go? What?
What's even in each of these bikes? 125,
No. 250.
250, 125,
250.
250.
90.
Fucking hell. 90? What's in this?
50.
A 50 in that?
Yeah.
125.
It actually is a GDI.
As in Suzuki GDI motor?
Yeah.
That'd go good.
The world's smallest turbo. Like you can put it on your lawnmower.
That is very cool.
And it makes 9 pounds of boost.
Yeah, this is Hull. Fuck! Tomei fuel wreck?
Chance.
Your JDM has.
Sunshine.
That's sick. Alright, let's go ride. There's another Escort up here. XF. This is still registered? Wow. As manual. It's not even rusty. What the hell? That's cool. So this is the paddock bomb. EL, EF? I don't know. I can't tell the difference.
Hey, film this. Josh. Carl, put the berries in it. It's finished.
El Cabo, cool.
That's
Oh, dude!
What's that?
Wheelbarrow!
Where the hell did you do? Are we in a fucking swamp? Oh, damn.
Oh, damn!
Oh, damn. Look at it, rocks back here. Oh, God. This is muddy ass, man. So muddy. Oh, gosh, out. Hit the bin. This car's not making sense. Is there a big rock somewhere here?
Yeah, it was in there somewhere.
One right there too.
Look how muddy it is.
It's covered in mud. Ridiculous. It's not even moving.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
Who's just like, wow. This guy's pretty. Oh my.
If you didn't have an open center, it'd be so much better.
So they've gone to get some water because that thing is cooking. This is the most fun I've had for a very long time. That poor car. Oh god. Trying to get the good shots for you guys. It's definitely starting to misfire and overheat. The steam coming out everywhere. I Just got blasted with mud.
It's 100% dead.
Did you break it?
Yeah.
Oh, the old ND.
Nothing like a ninja slap.
Can't even see out the windscreen.
That's why I hit that thing. I couldn't see. Dip it in! Dip it in! What a weapon! Oh, man! That's it! She's finished! Did you blow it? It's still.
That's a lot of steam. Oh, it's cooking.
Fuck me! Fuck mine! Oh, man! Oh, you should have
Copped it.
Hey! Oh, that was up there. No, that's me. Get away from that. No, she's all good.
That's alright.
Honestly.
Watches. Good idea, huh?
You can, man.
Are you actually leaving the car there? I thought you were talking shit. Okay. Oh, okay. So we gotta go get a jumper pack.
Yeah, we're going to try it.
Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but what a day. Pretty much just going to film random crap until this battery dies, and that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed something a little different. See you guys next week. Really hard to film and ride.